Ever wondered why honey never spoils? It's not magic, it's science. Thanks to its low moisture and acidic pH, honey becomes a fortress against bacteria, making it an eternal treat. Even archaeologists found edible honey in ancient Egyptian tombs dating back 3,000 years. Nature's sweet secret is out. And speaking of secrets, did you know that bees are the ultimate foodies? Buzzing around, collecting nectar, and turning it into liquid gold. So next time you drizzle honey on your toast, remember, you're tasting a piece of history. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing nature facts. Like, share, and subscribe for your daily dose of wonder.